because I did take some pictures that you would recognize once you...
Is our friend closed over here, friend?
Or maybe he's part of this club, considering his hairstyle.
Almost home, eh? We don't have to walk to the zoo, eh? Remember? Oh, should we have... it's in the next one where we have your shop for your aftershave. By the time we are in the hotel, it will be 5. Will the pool still be open?
Doesn't have to. It doesn't have to.
I only hear you, but I don't see you.
I see, that's... Well, those who really like the birds go to the zoo.
Or to the Amazon. But our hotel calls our gardens subtropical gardens. If you didn't know.
What are the kids trying to do?
I don't know. Sell some bracelets.
Probably. To cut them out.
Oh, there is one flying.
Yeah. Well, they are further away, I think. Oh yeah, many surf turtles. So you can actually use your zoom to good effects, actually. He doesn't care, whatever the weather. Hopefully he's going to the Olympics. Because after World Cup, I guess the next thing is Los Angeles Olympics. Some Olympics.
What is that? Athletics or what?
No, that's all sports. Even tennis. Just like we went to Paris, the next one would be in Los Angeles.
Ah, you mean the Olympics?
Yeah.
You didn't say that.
Oh, what did I say then?
Los Angeles Athletic or something you said.
Oh.
You mean Olympic Games? That's of course a sport that I know.
Oh.
That's why I was confused.
Did I use confusing language? So... Let's go to
the rest of the bracelet was there.
Yeah. Ice cream. We can sit in the shades. shade there.
Did you wanna put your aftershave?
Much shades.
No, there's no shade here.
There's a shop on our street. Where is it? Somewhere downhill. There's a table. There's a group living there. Oh, are they sitting there? There's one table there. Are they living? They're sitting.
Here is your aftershave shop. You want to look?
I don't need to go in there.
You need aftershave?
You can. Let's go get aftershave.